So here we are with the Harvard H646, which is the Spinnytronic CB199, which is they got revamped after the mail order catalogue got them back as returns, and they used the fake chassis used in the real Amstrad. So it's like a pirate copy of made in Hong Kong version of what's inside an Amstrad 901. But these, of course, have different performance, and the letdown really is the squelch. Not quite as sensitive, reliability and the squelch performance. So let's go over to Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I'm all ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger. So I'm going to plug our extension speaker in.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger that, and on this radio I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up the
High.
lane towards the end of it.
Low.
Now passing one of the passing places and shortly passing what will be eventually at some point, we don't know, doggy daycare.
Roger diddly dodger.
Now we're not passing anything, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station 137.9, 143.
Roger on that.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that. The view is this is supposed to be a really, really windy day with a yellow wind zone, but not in a red wind zone.
Roger that. I can confirm it's windy.
It's only guards if necessary. Well, of course if necessary, we've got it on the air just to do.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Oh, it's like that, isn't it? Well, it's another Amstrad then.
Yeah, but it isn't, you see, because of the Harvard H646, which is a revamped Spinnytronic CB199, which were made for Great University of Littlewoods catalogue. It uses a fake version of the chassis used in Amstrad. In other words, the Cybernet 002F, it uses a fake version made in Hong Kong with cheap parts.
Yep, roger that, I stand corrected. Not an Amstrad, same chassis, but the fake one.
Roger, dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie.
Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
So I'm on a Harvard H646 and it's doing 3.9 watts output and I'm on a standard replacement mic here.
Yep, roger that, all received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger. The only thing that's affected is the fake version is that the squelch is vastly inferior in its operation and that the reliability is lower.
Yeah, roger that.
Roger, got you going over Wilford at level crossing. Got you at the Chippie turn.
Roger.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
So you at the 5 mile point, so I'm in Harvard H646 and I'm on standard replacement mic, the radio's doing 3.9 watts. I'm going to pop it onto low power and on this one, which is factory set, it's 520 milliwatts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, there we go on low power, going 500 milliamps, doing 550 milliwatts. Go back to full power. There we are back on full power at 3.9 watts over.
Yep, Roger, no problems on full power. No real problems on low power, there's a bit of interference, but all well received over.
So yesterday's genuine Amstrad was only doing 210 milliwatts on low power, but there you go. So off you go when you're ready.
Yep, Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that, and you're really quick with that 99 camera.
Yeah, I mean it's easy to set up just because of where the camera mount is on it.
Yeah, looks like that's going to be the new norm.
Yeah, it's certainly easier for me to use. And it doesn't really need to be HD, does it?
That's absolutely fine. I'll have to look up, there was 2010 though, but I think that's probably the best part of the thing this week.
Watch out.
Starting on our first camcorder video later today with the Sony CR45 recap. I think there's about 80 capacitors today.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Is that one please, over?
Yep, 139.9, 144.7.
Excellent, that works straight from this end. Squad's held on in there, despite being inferior. So thank you for that, and 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me at that one, please? Over.
139.9, 144.7.
Excellent, well, that works a treat from this end, and the squelch held on in there despite being inferior. So thank you for that, and 10-10.
Roger that. 10-10.
Okay, that worked a treat. The only thing is, you can see we're just about on full squelch. What was it, 4.5 microvolts or something. So if you lived in an area where there's more radio traffic, you'd have to turn the RF gain down to compensate. But that's what you get on a £29.99 set, when the genuine Amstrad was $89.99. We'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like on our Midland 76900 using my standard replacement mic.